Today I'm taking out the WORKPRO 34-piece 1/4-inch mini ratchet wrench and socket bit set. So we got our instructions and we have got our set. That's nice. It does have a hanging hook in case we want to throw that guy on a wall. It also appears to have a clip. So if we want to just throw that thing on our belt, we can do that. Might also be handy if we're just throwing that on a tool pouch. I do like that we got that clear case in the front, so we can easily see everything that's inside there. That is a pretty attractive looking tool set. So we can see that all our bits are color coded and everything is labeled even here on the case. So for our hex sockets, these are all metric. That goes from a 6 up to a 13. We got 4 Phillips from a pH0 to a pH3. 4 flatheads from a 3mm up to a 6mm. We got our security Torx. We got our posi drive Phillips. We got our non-security Torx. Then we got a 4, 5, and 6 hex drive. This last one is actually just an adapter so that we can put on our 1/4-inch drive sockets. So we can pop that onto our socket. And I do appreciate they actually got a nice little knurl there on there, so if we want to, we can grab that with our fingers and twist it like that. The socket itself is labeled, and that is a nice shallow overall socket. We also have an extension, so if we just want to use this as a regular old ratchet, we just need to give ourselves a little bit more room. We got that right there. So that is a regular pool style chuck. So if you ever used an impact drive or anything like that, you'll be familiar with that. And then we got the heart of the tool. One thing I love about these is basically like an old Chapman. We can throw our bit in there. We get a super shallow tool right there. Especially if you're doing anything with like a Phillips, whereas most of the time you're going to be using a screwdriver, even a stubby, this is going to be much shallower than that. So if you have to fit a tool into a very tight area, this is the style of tool that you want. Something they did beyond the Chapman, you can see they actually got a look. Wow, that has a very nice ratcheting mechanism on it. But we have that spot on the top where we can grab that with our fingers, because most of the time we don't have enough room with our fingers to grab it from the bottom. We can grab this guy from the top and spin it. We can also see that is dished out, so that way if we want to, we can just stick our thumb right on there and we can use that as our friction so we can get our rotation, even if we're working on a loose bolt. That is reversible. We got a lever right there. Nice short throw for that. Yeah, that is a super nice ratcheting mechanism. It says that is an 8mm, so there's a fixed size right there, and we can see the whole thing is about 4 inches in length. Something I just noticed, we actually have clips here, so if we grab that, we can actually pull that guy apart. Now we got a small hidden compartment there on the bottom. It's kind of neat. So I'm going to put a pretty aggressive amount of torque on here. There we go. And that put up with it. Still runs very well. Tighten that back down. Very nice. So overall, that is a very nice kit.